What's up? All right, so beautiful 40 watts, something like they say 14,000 lumen each flood spot. Yeah, it was like that, but we're going with the budget. So, but the thing is very important, these beautiful connector with dielectric grease into it. So that's the good thing of it. So every single one have one, and after we're going to install. I hope so. You're gonna like the installation. Follow me for the rest. All right, so here we have. So this right here, it's very simple. It's 2L bracket. I don't know if you could see it right there. Yeah, it's 2L bracket, which is actually on the bumper, screw on the bumper. I would need to actually put some paint on this because they're pretty rusted. I don't know. I don't know if I have some. I'll look at it. Anyway, the plan is this beautiful baby LED bar. Oh yeah. Boo is going there. So let's do that. Oh, mean machine. It's not screwed yet, but getting there. It looks good. Looks very good. And I got the two in the back. I don't know if you ever saw it. By the way, if you want any sticker, I got some. And I got the other one here, but not off-road Subaru Quebec. Is actually the other one. I have Overland Subaru International. Same thing, but yeah. This one, just to give you an idea, I got it, now I got it 5 years, and it's still very nice. So anyway, these are the two. And as you can see, same connector right here. These are very good connector. So, there you go. And I don't want to say about too much things about that, but something is coming back here. Something like that. Yeah. Good. So, yep. So, we need to plug these things. Right now, very simple LED bar. Aluminum tube. And this thing, I want to paint it, but so far it's gonna stay like that. They say do the job once and that's it, that's all. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna paint it some way, somehow. That's the idea, but we'll see. So far nice. Plenty of fun. Plug it in, tie wrap, ground.
Talk to our technician. It's a lot of fun.
Technician, electronic. There you go. Ground over there. Now we're missing my beautiful battery. By the way, battery, have a look. North Star battery. Pretty hard. Yeah, that's what it is. AGM battery. But that's what it is. And motor needs to clean up a bit. That's alright. So wire over here, and it's going inside. And here we go. So for the shut up. So for the front, you got this beautiful baby there. For the back, you've got this beautiful baby there. And no, I don't want to plug these lights. I'm not sure, but it looks pretty clean. I don't like these big switch and everything, so I think that's gonna be cool. It looks very beautiful. And at the end, these need some love, but they work fine in the back. Yep. Right, nice and slowly. We need to actually wrap it up. Almost done. And yeah, these are pretty nice. We need to finish with the electric tape and we're done. So, and reinstall that beautiful battery there. And that's it. So that's it. That's all. Now, Wednesday, that's going to be the tire carrier over there. So follow for the rest. Thanks, guys. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, please, and share. Have a good day, guys. That was fun for you, I hope. It's quiet. It's very quick. So that's it. Oops. Peace out. There you go.